What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at another company. The ticker symbol is FRX. And believe me, this one's going to go to the moon. So get ready for some free game. We're about to get it. Alright, we're back. I just had to catch a vibe real quick. Alright, so today we're going to take a look at the ticker symbol FRX, which is Forest Road. And right now you can see the price is what, $15.80. I actually got in today 50 shares at $14.90. So right now I'm up about $45. For the week, the stock is up 36%. For the month, 50%. Last 3 months, 40%. And over a year, it's up 40%. All right, so what exactly does this company do? Well, right now, let's take a look, and we could see that the market cap is 383 million. And if we scroll down to the information, it says here, Forest Road Acquisition Corp. operates as a blank check company. It is formed for the purpose of effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition. So pretty much this company is what is called a SPAC, all right? And a SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company. I'll put that up on the screen right there. And it's a corporation formed solely for the purpose of raising investment capital through an IPO, all right? So this SPAC was formed just for the whole purpose of acquiring companies, effecting mergers. All right, so why FRX, and why did I choose this one? There's a bunch of ones out there. There's another one, I think it's called CCIV or something to that effect. And that one's working on a merger between another company and like a luxury EV car company. So there's a bunch of different SPACs out there. All right. My personal opinion on SPACs, they're kind of risky. So, tread lightly. Don't put your mortgage or your car payment into this. All right. Put that extra money that you would go buy, a couple more pairs of Nike shoes with, or go pick up 2 Gucci shoes. Pick up 1 Gucci shoe and then use the rest and do some investments. All right. But it is high risk. And as you guys know, if it's high risk, it's also high reward. All right, so I just want to go ahead and just touch on a couple of key points with this company. All right, so FRX, one of the first things that I look for is the leadership. And in this company, there's a bunch of different people. 2 people stood out to me. The first one is a gentleman by the name of Kevin Mayer, right? And he is pretty much one of the top guys in this company. All right. So who is this guy? You can look at the information card on the screen right there, but I'll just tell you pretty much some basic information. This guy was the CEO of TikTok. All right. And before TikTok, he pretty much was in charge of acquisitions for Disney, for the Walt Disney Company, which means this guy has a pretty decent resume. And I'll just, reel off a couple of the acquisitions that he spearheaded while at Disney. One was the acquisition of Marvel, right? So Marvel Entertainment. So all those Spider-Man movies, X-Men, all those movies, he spearheaded that acquisition where Disney bought Marvel. He spearheaded the acquisition of ESPN, 20th Century Fox, and LucasArts Films, right? So LucasArts is who is responsible for the Star Wars franchise, which is huge. So this guy has a really, really good resume as far as acquisition. He's made a lot of money along the way. He's worth about 15 million, all right? So this guy is definitely one of the top guys in the company that caught my attention. The other man is the big man himself, and literally the big dog. Shaquille O'Neal, or Shaq, Big Shaq, the basketball player. Net worth about 400 million. You can see the information card on the screen right there. This guy's doing everything. I've witnessed, and I'm sure you guys have seen it too. This guy taking an insurance company called a General from like a, a little low grade insurance company to now that insurance company is up there with Geico and Progressive and all the other big companies. So Shaq has always been big in business ever since he got out of basketball in 2011. He's been doing his thing, making investments, and they came together and with a couple of other guys and decided to create this acquisition company. All right. So now the acquisition company, right? This company was started in September of 2020 and they went public with the IPO in November. Now, when they went public, they made about 300 million with the IPO. All right. So they already started out on a good path. Now, recently news has come about that they're in talks to acquire a fitness company called Beachbody. You know what I'm saying? I've been in fitness for most of my life. You guys can see it. I know, I don't look like I have a six-pack right now, but I've been in fitness for a number of years. And this company is big. They were responsible for, I think it was the P90X system. You guys remember those commercials on TV? They have a bunch of different subscribers to their service. They have foods that they sell, fitness programs, that type of stuff. I think the company did roughly somewhere around like $1 billion in 2017. Now, it is a privately held company right now, so a lot of the information is not available to the public, like a publicly traded company. But the plans for FRX is to merge Beachbody with another company, which is called NYX. Well, NYX is pretty much a company that sells these stationary bikes that you have in your home. It has a screen on it, and then they have like these workout things, pretty much like Peloton, but a lot cheaper. I've seen Peloton bikes all the way up to 5Gs. These guys, I think the bikes are around like under $1,500, right? But pretty much the same concept. So, and it does sound like a really good merger because both companies would complement each other. Merger meaning that, the two companies would merge and NYX would be underneath the banner of Beachbody. All right. Now, they're planning to have the company go public, and it's going to be on the New York Stock Exchange with the ticker symbol of BODY, BODY. All right. So I really think this is going to be huge. I think it has a lot of potential to go even higher, and I see this stock probably going into like the $20 price range by probably Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. You could get in right now because I still think it's affordable and it's only going to go up. The first SPAC company that these guys created was so good. I think on Thursday they just submitted something else to the Securities and Exchange Commission to create another SPAC company, another FRX2, all right? And Shaq is in on that as well. So guys, I think this company is going to go huge. I'm invested in it. As you can see right now, I'm only up. I got into it today, and right now I am up $42.50. And I think on Monday, this thing is just going to go bigger, all right? So I'll put links to the articles and the information in the description. Don't forget that we also got the WhatsApp group going, guys. So you definitely want to check it out. Just to get in the group, all you have to do is just go ahead and comment your Instagram name below. Once I get that notification, I'll go ahead and shoot you a DM and tell you how you could get into the group. All right. Thanks again so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. And y'all have a blessed day, man. Peace.